So today, I'm finally installing Android apps directly inside Linux Mint 22.3 Zena using Waydroid. And honestly, this is probably the smoothest Android experience I've seen on Linux in a long time. Waydroid is not an emulator in the traditional sense. It actually runs Android inside a lightweight Linux container, which means performance feels surprisingly close to native. Apps launch faster, animations feel smoother, and overall it just feels way more integrated compared to older solutions like Anbox. Now, before we begin, there's one important thing you need to know. Waydroid is designed for Wayland sessions. Linux Mint Cinnamon still defaults to X11, so if you try to launch Waydroid normally, it may not work properly. But don't worry, there's an easy fix for that, and I'll show you everything step by step. First, let's open the terminal and install a couple of required packages. These are mainly for secure repository access and downloading the official Waydroid repository script. Once that's done, we'll add the official Waydroid repository to Linux Mint. Since Linux Mint 22.3 is based on Ubuntu 24.04, the repository setup works perfectly here. After adding the repository, we simply update the package list and install Waydroid itself. Now here's where things get interesting. Because Linux Mint uses X11 by default, we also need something called Weston. Weston is basically a lightweight Wayland compositor, and it lets Waydroid run correctly even if your main desktop session is still using X11. So after installing Weston, you can either launch a Weston session manually, or if you already use Wayland on Mint, you can skip that part entirely. Next comes the initialization step. This is where Waydroid downloads the Android system image and prepares the container. Depending on your internet speed, this can take a few minutes. Once initialization finishes, we start the Waydroid container and then launch the session itself. And the first time this opens, it genuinely feels weird in a good way. You're basically running Android inside Linux, but it behaves almost like native desktop software. You can install apps, open multiple Android windows, run mobile games, use messaging apps, and even launch Android applications directly from the Linux app menu. Now, performance obviously depends on your hardware, but on modern AMD and Intel systems, it's surprisingly fast because Waydroid uses hardware acceleration instead of full CPU emulation. One thing I really like is how clean the integration feels. Android apps don't feel trapped inside a virtual machine window. They behave more like actual desktop applications. And yes, you can even enable multi-window mode if you want Android apps opening separately instead of inside the full Android interface. The official documentation includes that option as well. Now, if Waydroid doesn't launch correctly the first time, don't panic. Usually it's because the session hasn't started yet or Weston wasn't launched properly. Restarting the session normally fixes it. Also, remember this, Waydroid works best on Wayland. Running it through X11 with Weston works surprisingly well, but native Wayland sessions are still the ideal setup. Overall though, this is honestly one of the coolest things you can do on Linux Mint right now. Having Android apps running almost natively on your desktop completely changes what Linux can do. And the best part is, once it's configured, you barely think about it anymore. You just launch apps and use them.